Who else is over these vocal T's? Just me? Let's make a hot cocoa specifically for singers. You're going to start out with a can of full-fat coconut milk. Don't skimp on the full fat here. This is going to be really important for the hot cocoa. Next, we're going to go over to some dry ingredients. So you're going to have 3 tablespoons of cacao, a 1/4 teaspoon of reishi, and a pinch of salt. Now let's add in those wet ingredients. Here you're going to add 4 to 6 tablespoons of either maple syrup or honey and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All of these ingredients have great anti-inflammatory properties. They're very hydrating and they're also great for respiratory health. And lastly, you are going to add in a 1/4 cup of water. Now it is time to get a whisk and mix all of these ingredients together. Try to mix them as much as you can, but a lot of the mixing will happen once it's starting to be heated. So you're going to take this to your stovetop and we're going to heat this on a low to medium-low heat. As it warms up, those ingredients are going to come together and be really smooth. And make sure it's not bubbling or boiling. You don't want this to burn at all. And now it is time to enjoy. You can drink this while you are singing, while you are in the studio. This isn't going to clog up your throat like a normal hot cocoa, but it has the same rich taste and flavor, and I know you're gonna love it. I love having this beverage in the winter season. Just gives me all those warm and cozy vibes of a hot cocoa. So there you have it. Try this recipe out. Let me know in the comment if you made it, what you thought of it, and enjoy.